Peanut butter life hacks. The most important thing when opening a new jar of peanut butter, get every little bit of tinfoil. Even if you gotta use a knife, do it. All right, I got it all off. As you can see, it was no small task, but you'll thank yourself later because now you can put it in the microwave. Microwave your peanut butter for like, I don't know, 30 seconds at a time. The chunkiness floats to the top a little bit more. All right, it's all done. It was a minute. Look at, this is just, all right, now we need some bread. Oh, we need jam. Oh, we need a knife. All right, now with our peanut butter, this isn't crunchy peanut butter. This is a meal right here. Look at it's just robust. To the point that you can pour it on to your sandwich. All right, it's a little messier with one hand, but you get the idea. So thick and filling, it's like a full meal. This isn't a PB&J. Always clean the knife first. Now with a clean knife, because nothing's worse than a little bit of peanut butter in your jam jar, or a little bit of jam in your peanut butter jar. When I make sandwiches for the kids, I put less jam on them. Is that bad? Because they just lick the jam off anyway and don't eat the bread. Oh, am I the kids the only ones who do that? I didn't think so. And then with that done, wonderful. That's why crunchy peanut butter is the best. Look how thick that sandwich is, and that's just PB&J. That's a full meal and a sandwich. All right, well, thanks for watching.